Welcome to AGN Steno classes. Dictation start now. To ensure uniformity of action by different departments in the matter of stoppage of officer at efficiency bars, government consider it necessary to lay down certain journal principles for the guidance of all concerned para. The crossing of an efficiency bar is to be distinguished from the earning of an annual increment. In the case of the annual increment, onus is on the authority to show cause why it should be withheld. In the case of crossing a bar, the onus is on the official tacitly or otherwise to show cause why he should cross it. Full stop para. As the efficiency of a service depends to a great extent on the quality of the officials at two top, it is essential that each case is dealt with care and that the passing of an efficiency bar is not regarded as a mere matter of formality. Full stop para. Broadly speaking, efficiency and honesty should taken together be the deciding factors. Full stop. These factors do not always hang together. On the contrary, a dishonest officer is more often efficient than otherwise, while an honest officer may not necessarily be efficient para. There are usually two bars in every time scale. The first at that stage when an officer may be considered as ceasing to be a junior and as fit to perform satisfactorily the ordinary duties of his service, and the second at the stage when he becomes a senior and may be expected to be fit to perform any of the duties which the service is called upon the undertake. Full stop. No particular difficulty should arise with regard to the first bar, and in respect of this bar, government only desire to lay down that no officer should be allowed to pass this bar until he has proved himself competent to perform satisfactorily the ordinary duties of his service. Full stop para. The second bar presents greater difficulty and is clear that in the absence of definite instruction as to the standard required number of officers who are not fit to perform the highest duties that could be allotted to them in their service have been nevertheless allowed to rise to the highest pay in the ordinary scale. Full stop. Government consider that in future no officer should be allowed to cross the second and final bar unless he is adjudged fit to be placed in the charge of the full duties attached to the heavier charges which officer of his rank can be called upon to fill. Head of departments will be able to fix in their minds the standard charge which each grade of officer should be expected to be able to fill before passing the bar. But in each case, it should be remembered that the charge should be one which an officer can be called upon to fill in the ordinary course of the duties of his grade. Full stop. Para. Head of departments, while considering each case, should take into account the severity of the officer whose reports are under consideration. Full stop para.